saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to today's all day deep clean and declutter with me. In today's video I am deep cleaning both bathrooms and giving them both a good declutter. I do try and do them both at the same time, so I leave them until they really need doing before I do them because they are my least favourite rooms. So I wait until they really need doing so I can tackle them both at the same time. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave for lots of cleaning motivation, home DIY and lots of organisation and decluttering inspo by clicking the subscribe button down below. I'm starting off in the ensuite today. I'm just going to clear everything out, getting rid of all the empty bottles and rubbish and then just giving it a good deep clean. I do find it so much easier cleaning this way once I've emptied the room out because I can see what really needs doing, and as you can see I do have a lot of bottles and sprays and everything on the side, so it's so much easier than having to clean around them. I can just empty it all out and dive in and give it a good deep clean that way. Do let me know if you have more storage than I do because I don't have any cupboards or anything in the ensuite, so let me know if you've got more storage and if you can give it a deep clean without having to empty the whole thing, which I think would be a lot quicker. But that is why the bathrooms are my least favourite rooms to do, because they do literally take me all day. If you'd like to follow me on more of a daily basis, I will leave my Instagram link in the description below. I do try and post on Instagram every day or at least every other day, so if you do want to see a little bit of behind the scenes of my life and what I'm up to, I will leave the link down in the description below.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa. Let's go. Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body, you're so close. No, I can't forget, no. Forget what? When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't.
So now once I've finished wiping everything down and giving it a good clean, I do go in and give the shower screen a good deep clean using the washing up liquid and the white vinegar, and I have been asked a few times what the ratio is on these. And I don't really know, to be honest. I completely wing it. I make it completely different every time. My tip is just to not make it too watery, because I did do that once. I added a little bit too much vinegar and it literally dripped and splattered everywhere. So you can't really go wrong, just don't make it too watery.
I'm out of luck. Been looking everywhere. It doesn't make sense, no. So bring it back. Cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
If I do have some of the mix left after doing the shower screen, I do go ahead and just put it all over the floor and also on the walls, and then I leave it on for a good 10 to 15 minutes before I rinse it all off. So you can see in this clip here that I am trying to keep the bathroom door closed. I did a really bad job of that. I don't really know why I didn't close it completely, but that's just because I was also filming my DIY bedroom makeover at the time of filming this video, and I wasn't sure which one was going to be uploaded first. I didn't want to ruin the big DIY bedroom makeover reveal, but it is now live on my channel. I will leave it linked at the top if you haven't seen it. You can go ahead and watch it after you've seen this one. So now everything has been rinsed off, wiped down and given a thorough clean, it is time to just put everything back in. Before doing the floors, I used to do the floors first, but I think it goes a lot smoother and it feels like I'm coming to an end when I can get everything back in. So I'm just going to put everything back in and make it look a lot more put together, and then mop the floor, wipe it over, and this room will be done.
If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, brave, brave. I know you can be brave, brave, brave. I know we did you wrong, wish I could take your pain away. Cause I hate seeing tears streaming down your face. I know you're strong, won't feel this way for long, no. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow.
Now I've finished this one, everything has been put back in. I am heading through to the main bathroom, and as you can see, this one is an absolute tip. Everything gets moved around and whatever we're not using, it just gets sort of dumped on that shelf. So I need to go in, empty it all out, sort it all out, declutter it and give it a good clean.
You can be brave, 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 brave. I know you can be brave, 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 brave. If you wanna go out, we can go out. Brave, brave, brave. You can hide away just for one night. Brave, brave, brave. Just hold on a bit more,
are enjoying today's deep clean with me, please don't forget to subscribe with the button down below. It would mean the absolute world to have you here. Don't forget to press the bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and also leave this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if you are new, and I really hope that you are finding all the motivation that you are looking for today.
Queen of hearts, when everyone folds, your fork still holds your place in your bed, showing no regret. Close your eyes to hide your lies, roll the dice. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence letting everyone know not to trespass, but you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. You're playing it cool, bending all the rules, talking way too loud and you're talking rude. You're playing a game, driving me insane. Your heart is back and it's a fact, no turning back. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence letting everyone know not to trespass, but you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft. Come on.
So I'm now going in to do the shower screen, and I'm using exactly the same method as I did in the Ensuite with the washing up liquid and the vinegar. Again, use however much works well for you. I don't like it dripping too much, so I don't use too much vinegar. Just 2 or 3 squirts out of the bottle into the bowl and mix it together with the washing up liquid. It stops it from dripping everywhere, but it still is enough vinegar for it to work, because everything just ends up so shiny and sparkly afterwards. So I do definitely recommend using this method.
Feeling strong, it won't take long when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft. Watch me use my witchcraft. I'm gonna use my witchcraft. Try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, running to better times. Go, from my emotions out.
Again, I'm going to leave it on for about 10-15 minutes. Usually I will just carry on cleaning something else, but on this day I did just take a 10-minute break and then come back to it afterwards. Rinse everything down. I cracked on with the towel rail because that doesn't get done all the time and it does get quite dusty, and I didn't actually realise how bad the back of the door was, because that door is always open. We never really close it, so it was just black. So I did have to go down and wipe the door as well and just make everything nice and fresh.
In all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, running to better times. Go, what you want now. Feels like you're looking for something better.
This bathroom does have a completely different feel to it when it is nice and clean. The whole vibe changes and I absolutely love it in here. So I do really need to try and keep on top of it and do it more often, but it just takes so long and it's just not my favourite thing to do. But I will try and keep on top of it now. It's had a good deep clean. I won't let it get as bad as it was, or at least I will try not to let it get as bad as it was. So I'm just going to pop everything back in and steam mop the floor, and then everything is done.
Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go.
Thank you so much for watching today's all day clean and declutter with me. I hope that you found all the motivation that you were looking for today and that you did enjoy it, and thank you for watching it all the way to the end. I love you so much. It means the absolute world to me, and I will see you back here in the next one.